We all know flow meters aren't the most exciting part of farming. But if you know how to use the numbers, your meter can actually help you make better irrigation decisions on your farm, leading to water, energy, and cost savings. This little device can give you powerful insights to stretch every drop, improve crop health, and help you stay in compliance with groundwater regulations. Here are 4 ways you can use your well meter data to help you make better irrigation and water management decisions for your farming operation. First off, a flow meter allows you to know how much water you're using. You probably have a general idea of how much water you're using, but your flow meter gives you the real numbers. Checking it regularly helps you catch patterns you might not notice otherwise. Let's say you notice in July your numbers are higher than usual. Is this because of the heat? Did you make a shift in your irrigation schedule? Or maybe it's something else. These little clues can help you fine-tune your approach so you're not wasting water or money. Secondly, a flow meter can help you catch leaks, clogs, and equipment issues. Let's say you notice a change in the amount of flow during an irrigation compared to last week's irrigation event. This may indicate operational leaks, clogged emitters, or equipment malfunctions like a valve not fully closing. A quick check when your system is running can save you thousands of gallons. If the flow rate is different from what it should be, then you know your water's going somewhere it shouldn't. If you're not sure, you can reference your flow rates on your irrigation system design. Third, a flow meter allows you to match water supply to meet crop demand. Flow meters are a great tool for helping manage the water on your farm, especially farms with a variety of crops on different soil types. We wouldn't apply the same amount of water to a block of pistachios on heavy soils compared to grapes on sandy soils. Managing our water is important, and using a flow meter is a great way to start measuring the water we are delivering to our fields. And by measuring the water we apply to each block, we can catch and limit operational waste of water on our farm. And finally, using flow meters to plan for our future. At the end of the season, looking back at your meter data helps you see the big picture. Maybe your well isn't producing the volume of water that it used to. This data, through trends and patterns, can help indicate either equipment wear or well output performance. These results can better inform you of upcoming operational problems in the future. If you see that you're pumping more water every year with the same crop, it might be time to rethink your irrigation strategies. Well meter data is even more powerful when combined with other tools like evapotranspiration rates and soil sensor technologies. At the end of the day, meters give you real data to work with. Data that helps you keep your operation running strong, your crops healthy, and keeps your bottom line in check.